Damn, guys, look at the cars, man. Over 36 million rands worth yamavelu ye moto ne property. Bafethu, this is unbelievable. Umuntu nje ubehola 124,000 rand. Only to find out ukuthi ushaya ngemizi ama property maningi kakhulu mfethu ney'moto even ney'thuthuthu bafethu. Yabona namhlanje stick around because ku-podcast namhlanje Deben Online Podcast, we're not just gonna be talking about nje ukuthi ukhona umuntu oboshwayo or this and that. No. Namhlanje sizongena deep down kwiMadlanga Commission. La sothola khona ukuthi ubanjwe kanjani ngabuphi ubufakazi. You know who I'm talking about. I'm talking about this guy. Gerard Mnisi, right there. Gerard Mnisi bafethu, this guy ayikho imoto own. Like this guy owns everything, guys. I don't understand. Ezinye imoto ayi-ownayo imoto owena uyozushona ungazange uzuyithole. Imoto ezingaphezu even isalary ayiholayo every month. Even noma ngabe kuthiwa uyayihola leya salary, yes, it's a dream to other people. Nami ngiyafisa ukuhola 124,000 rand. But ngeke boy, you can't do it. Abanye abantu benza kanjani thina silele mfethu? Abanye abantu benza kanjani mfethu? I'm talking about i-BMW X6 M5 OD. Damn, M50 noma angazi, 2 Range Rovers enye ne-personalized number plate. 2 BMW 125i. 2. Bese kube i-Mercedes-Benz CLA 45, i-Toyota Hilux a-single cab. Hayi kahleni bafethu. Lezo imoto nje sezizodwa nje. I-Volkswagen Golf. Ivura bafethu i-8. I-Aronk, i-Maserati Lavante. Hayi bafethu ngeke bafethu. Khona imoto lana yabona i-Porsche ekuthiwa i-Porsche 911 Turbo yona-ke nje u-6 million rand iyodwa. Kube i-Porsche Targa nayo model ya-2023. Now you tell me ukuthi lo mjida lo bafethu uyithathaphi imali engaka. So stick around ngoba kunobufakazi obungazula ikhanda, kufuna ukukhombisa ukuthi iMadlanga Commission ayizile ukuzodlala meke yakuthola kahle. Yabona laphana ufika uhleka, ufika umuntu ongazuthi wazi konke ngisho ngaphatha abameli bakho, kodwa khona loya mlungu kuthiwa uCharles Clarkson ngamaklakha inja yezinja umjebhulite engakhethelelwe kuthenja. Yabona loya mlungu mfethu mese kuhleka bese kubuka kanje isuke isishila indaba yakhe ayisekho. So KZN, do you really think ukuthi ngo-124,000 wena ungakwazi ukuhlala or uphile impilo ye-lifestyle yama-billionaire? Over 36 million rands izinto ayi-onayo lo mjida. Please drop a comment and tell me what do you think about this thing. Or if, do we really need to make sure ukuthi nabanye cause akayedwa akayenzanga lento. Nabanye bayakuthola yini lento le. Bhala lapho comment section bafethu. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you also like the video bafethu, so that you can always get a video or content efana. But let's dive straight into it. I want to show you how the evidence was done. Come on. Oh, I'll leave it.
And did you take Mr. Mnisi shooting on that day?
I confirm.
And was that his first time ever shooting?
On the indoors, yes.
And if we go down...
Nangulo mfana la. Yabona ukuthi besemncane le. I think what he did ubaba lo ufana inkosi. Cause yonke leti ubanjwe nje ngama WhatsApp. Besamncane lo mfana. Bambona ukuthi samncane lo mfana base beyamngena. Kwasho ukuthi naye uyithatha wangeneka. Uyamkhumbula umkhwenazi methi they delete and we retrieve. This is how the evidence was Captured. Let's hear more.
Page 30, you'll see in the chat at the time says 12:17, that would be in fact 14:17. Said, "You did well on the range, my man." And he said, "Not too bad for the first time, my bro." You recall that?
That's correct.
And I presume he really enjoyed himself on this shooting range experience.
Babizana ngo my brother. How can a CFO yaseTshwane ephathelene neimali namathenda ibe umngane omkhulu kangaka bafethu nephoyisa act lo Sergeant Fanny Nkosi? Oh my God. Khumbula nje ukuthi Fanny Nkosi is already in court. There. And this guy naye engathi uzomlandela, but stick around because I want to find out from you guys ukuthi yey obani abanye enfisa ukubabona kwiMadlanga Commission. Yakhumbula ukuthi ngiyakhumbula ngakhuluma ngendaba ka CN Buchi ukuthi ama assets akhe nama bank account ase freeze. Who else do you think is coming to Madlanga? Tell me in the comment section. Nichaza nje ninganaki, ningasabi. Akekho ozonishaya KZN. You're watching Durban Online Podcast with Fly Motion. This is your favorite podcast in KZN. It should be. Like siphinde silalele kancane. Bese nginishiya nje kanjalo ngoba ngeke angifuni ukumosha isikhathi. Yabona nje khona interview engifuna ukuyithola. Yabo labantu, but sasiqhubeka kancane.
Experience.
That's correct.
How do you correct manje? Ayikho enye into. Correct.
Then on the, if you go down to page 42, you see
imagine
at the foot of the page, 42, and then going on to 43, you sent him a series of pictures of, it's these three-wheelers, like the three-wheeler that you bought for Mr. Msibi and Mr. Mtakati.
Here's another crucial point. Unkosi likes to buy this tricycle bike. Angazi noma basibakhumbula beseyinganeni bedlala ngamabhayisikili lawa anamasonto amathathu. Wathengela uyababala uchokochoko lama clack la mfethu khona nomswati. Shuthi nje indlela nje mfethu abaspoiler ngayo ukubathengela nje mfethu amabhayisikili anamasonto awu 3. Hey, avebiza nawo bafethu. So KZN, if you wanna know ukuthi ubani esomthola next time, ubani ozoba kwiMadlanga Commission, or who do you think must come to Madlanga Commission, please press like bese uya subscribe so that uzothola notification mengiphinda futhi ngenza enye i-episode efana nawe nalawa. Yo bazohamba abantu. Yes. Ngithi ayiboshwe futhi nale ngane lezi ezidla le mali zabo. Ngeke phela lezi ingane ziqedile imali bafethu. Ziqede kakhulu bafethu. Cabanga mfethu. Cabanga imali engaka. 36 million worth of property nazo zonke izinto imoto, but wena nje mfethu khola 124,000. Uyiphila kanjani impilo ye-billionaire uyi-civil servant? Hi, drop a comment lapho. Tell me what do you think, KZN. I'm out.